Yeah, that's a nice ass Mustang.
Yeah. I wish I had that Mustang.
Me too.
You drive a Charger, what are you talking
I
about?
wish my Charger would do burnouts like that.
You could if you had different tires.
I know. You know what? Bro, you wanna go for a drive?
Hell yeah, I want to go for a drive. Yeah, so if you guys want some badass merch like this, right here, it's got the skull and the crown, our run-on line, be sure to go to our website, bonfire.com/AutoKings and get yourself a shirt or a hoodie. If you don't go to our website and buy a hoodie, Justin's gonna come and take your headlights out of your car. Hey everybody, say hi to Zach, who is our drone man and possibly our new cameraman as soon as we can get everything going. What do you think, Zach? You having fun?
Yeah, dude, I'm having so much fun and like a blast, man. This has been like a dream to be in and amazing community, bringing it all up. And, yeah, it's gonna be some fun, some good stuff, some new things coming up, and yeah.
There's a 350Z up there. It looks like it's done up too, so if we can get up beside it. I don't know if Justin's gonna turn here or not.
You all can see this right now, man. That is a good car.
We're getting ready to go, he's getting ready to get us a cool shot with the GoPro under a bridge. Today is Zach's first time to film cars, and he's having fun. You can't drift that corner, Justin. So it looks like we got a new cameraman. So much faster. Mine's louder though, Justin. You hear that? My car's louder than yours. You're all high and mighty being faster, but I'm louder. What do you think, Zach? What do you think of the Auto Kings crew?
That's really awesome.
This is just the president and VP, man. We got a whole crew. We got our master mechanic. We got our big truck, Nathan and Anthony. It's all about having fun, dude. And see, you can have a lot of fun just filming cars, man.
Yeah.
Dude, he said that bridge shot was freaking dope.
Does he get the burnout?
Mm-hmm.
Here, Justin. Do you want to do the headlight, or do you want me to keep
I
cleaning?
don't care. What do you want to do?
I don't want to
mess with it.
I'll do the headlight. Ah, don't judge my
I don't want to do the side of the car either.
Oh, fuck yeah, dude, it's right there. That's badass.
Where
Look.
is it?
So it's a little plug thing that you pop out, and you literally reach your hand up in there. Huh?
That'll be easy.
I gotta turn my wheels though.
Get the light. So, if you're following the lines of the car, are you gonna go a stripe over the handles as well?
No. I want to stop at
So
the
you're gonna
handles.
skip the handles.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I want that line to come up here.
Cause handles would look good if they were black.
Do what? Yeah.
We can
See the
we
line?
Can block them out if you want.
Because the line ends here. Do you think we should just go ahead and bring it on straight?
It would
in?
look stupid if you stopped it right here. Because all pinstripes, you usually go about right here. That's the thing though, but you want to follow the line of your car.
Yeah, because it would go right along there. I don't know how that would look. You're the pinstripe master. We'll let you figure it
I
out.
can't do the sides. I can't do the sides. I suck at the sides. Like it's easy following the line. If you want to do, this is which bolt where.
It's the main bulb that's out.
Yeah.
So it's going to be all the way.
How do you get it out? You twist it.
Yeah, it's a twist. It's just like these. So it plugs in, it twists, and then you unplug it.
That's it.
Might be able to see it from up here. Nope. That's completely
You
sealed.
twist and unplug.
Right now we're putting some red strips.
Stripes.
Pinstripes.
Yep.
So not only is Zachary going to be our cameraman, he's also going to learn all about cars now. Justin and Anthony talked me into doing the pinstripes, so we're going to see how she looks. How that 1911 was either until I shot out that ear protection. Huh?
I use ear protection. Like I know you're, in a life or death situation, you're not gonna have ear protection, but there's no point in damaging your ears if you don't have to, right?
Right.
I got that buddy that's just
Says the two guys that have like extremely loud sound systems in their cars. What? I heard that, you son of a bitch. You think this is a game?
the Auto King game.
PS5 Auto King.
So another funny thing, Zach, is something that you're going to notice about the club is a lot of the times when I do something to my car,
Yeah.
everyone else in the club is the one that does it. Because they just like to jump on and start working. Like Anthony did the muffler delete on my car.
Yeah.
Justin's doing the pinstriping. I did do the sound system on my own, but it took me like 3 days to figure it out.
He did get some advice from.
Yeah, I did get
everybody.
advice from everybody in the club, so it worked out.
Dang.
All right.
Here we go.
You do know that when Zach gets a car, we're gonna have to fix him all up.
And get me some pink fuzzy dice.
And whatever you get, we're gonna muffler delete it.
If you want to.
Yeah, I got me some. It's just
All right. Before I do the trimming, take a look. Because I'm gonna trim this.
That looks pretty dope.
Let's get